Hi grade 3s. In this video, I'm going to show you what I meant by DMSB. Those are the steps that we're going to follow to use when we're doing a long division. So what we have here is another example problem where I want to find out if I have 94 of something, how many will be in each group if I have 4 groups. So I have 4 groups and 94 things to split up. What we're going to do is first do the D step. So I'm going to divide the number of groups, this number on the outside 4, into the first digit of how many I have, which is a 9. So what I'm going to do is I am going to do 4 into 9. How many times does 4 fit into 9? My answer is going to go above the line, directly above that 9. So since 4 fits into 9 2 times without going over, I'm going to put a 2 there. So I've done my divide. Next, I'm going to multiply. I'm going to multiply 2 times 4, and that's going to give me 8, which I'm going to put directly under that 9. 2 times 4 gives me 8, so I've multiplied. Then I'm going to subtract. I'm going to subtract to find out what's left over. If I have 2 groups of 4, which gives me 8, I'm not quite at 9. There's 1 left over. There's 1 piece that didn't quite fit in. That's great. I'm going to subtract. So that is like a little remainder of 1. Then I'm going to bring down the next digit to the right of the digit that I was using. So in this case, it's a 4. I'm going to bring down a 4 beside the 1 and make it a 14. So that 4 has come down. I've brought it down. So I'm going to bring down. Now, I'm not quite done. You can see I have my 2 here up in my answer above the tens column, and I have a remainder of 14, but 94 isn't broken up into 4 by saying, well, I have 2 groups, 2 in each group, and there's 14 left over. I still have another step. I'm going to go through my DMSB all over again. So I'm still going to use my 4. We're always going to use the outside number for our steps. So I'm going to divide 4, now not into 9, not into 94, but into this new number. I've created this remainder. So 4 goes into 14 3 times. Now I've divided a second time. 3 times 4, because of my multiply step, 3 multiply 4 by 4 is 12. So I've done my multiply step. Now I'm going to do my subtract step. 14 minus 12 gives me, there's 2 left over. So I've subtracted. When there's nothing left to bring down here, there's just nothing here, it's blank. So I can't do this bring down step anymore. When I can't do my bring down step anymore, I know I'm finished. I can't go any further. So now I know this remainder of 2 is my final remainder. So I'm going to put remainder 2. So what we have here is our answer of 23 remainder 2. If I have 94 soldiers and I'm breaking them into 4 tents again, I'll have 23 soldiers in each tent, and there's 2 left over without a tent. So that's the process for a long division. You might need to watch this video once or twice more to understand it, and then you're going to have a chance to do some practice. But I really want you to remember DMSB. Get in the habit of writing that beside questions to help keep you organized on your steps.